Hey guys, I made felt gnome ornaments. I made a template for the hat, body, beard, and nose. I used HeatnBond Ultrahold to attach the beard and nose. On the paper side, I traced the beard template minus the bottom part and connected the ends. I traced the nose on it as well, then cut them out. I placed them on felt with the paper side up. Leave extra felt for the bottom part of the beard. I placed parchment paper over the pieces and held the iron over them for 20 seconds to bond. I used my template to cut the bottom part of the beard. I also cut out the nose. Cut out 2 pieces of the body and 2 pieces of the hat without adding HeatnBond. Next, peel the paper off. Align the beard with the top of the body. Cover it with parchment paper and iron it. Leave a little space from the top, center the nose, and iron it. I use this gold thread to attach the hat to the body. Repeat this with the other hat and body. Next, align the front and back pieces. I sew them together using a blanket stitch. To make a blanket stitch, knot the end of your thread and place it between the 2 pieces of felt. Bring your needle up, wrap around the edge, add a diagonal, which creates an overhand stitch, and go through both pieces of felt. Go through the previous stitch before making another overhand stitch. Repeat this until you reach the top center. Then make a loop with a piece of cord. Place the knot of the loop between the 2 pieces of felt and continue making a blanket stitch. Tug on the loop to make sure that it's secure. Add polyfiber fill before closing the opening. Knot the end and tuck it inside. And here's how they turned out.